Hanpuku is an Adobe Illustrator extension that allows users to preserve both data correspondences and visual deltas between the D3 visualization library and Illustrator. Hanpuku uses Adobe's Google Chrome-based extension framework to create a web document object model that mirrors the current Illustrator document. Visualizations can be converted back and forth with a single click. To demonstrate the utility of preserving data correspondences, we will create a stream graph. We first load data in the Data tab. In this case, the data represents the frequency of specific phrases in books over time. We can then run JavaScript code that creates a stream graph from the data. If we move the stream graph to Illustrator, we can adjust styles, add labels, and other elements to make the chart more readable. Now imagine at this point, we realize we would prefer the stream graph aligned to the baseline, not the center. In the existing ecosystem of tools, we would be stuck. However, Hanpuku allows us to move the visualization with its custom refinements back to the web document object model. Here we can change the stacking data that D3 originally derived, and update the visualization in place. Hanpuku made this possible by preserving D3's data correspondences as tags inside the Illustrator document. When the document is converted back to the web document object model, the data correspondences are restored. From D3's perspective, nothing has changed. Storing D3's data bindings this way has the added benefit of preserving them inside Illustrator's native file format. The data correspondences can still be restored after Illustrator has been closed. They are even valid if another user opens the file on a different computer. To demonstrate the utility of preserving visual deltas, we will create a force-directed node link diagram. We can do this in a document with existing Illustrator elements. We can restyle the nodes and links in Illustrator. We can even add elements to the nodes. We can also resolve occlusion issues with Illustrator's native tools. If we now wish to update the layout, we can return to the document object model, adjust parameters, and resume the force-directed layout algorithm with the visual refinements intact. In this example, the user's code created group objects for each node and a circle inside each group. Because the data correspondences were attached only to the group objects, the contents could be modified freely and the group positions could still be updated. Hanpuku is a demonstration of the utility of preserving data correspondences and visual deltas between a data manipulation tool and a drawing tool. Iteration between the two is now possible.